You've been told you have anxiety, and maybe you've even been given something for it, but that is not your anxiety. It's hypervigilance, and there's a difference. It means your brain is scanning for threats all of the time. Anxiety is a feeling. Hypervigilance is a nervous system that forgot how to turn off. And I know I've lived like this for years. I thought there was something wrong with me, but here's what I didn't understand. Living with an alcoholic does that to you. You become somebody who sleeps with one ear open. You become someone who reads his mood in the sound of his footsteps, and you become someone who has a backup plan for probably every plan, because I did. And you become someone who checks their phone during dinner and feels your stomach drop. You become someone who can't remember the last time their shoulders just dropped a little bit. That was me also. Your body just thinks it's being chased by something all of the time because it has for years, over and over, and it doesn't know when the chase is over. You're tired all the time, but you are not weak. Your body is just doing exactly what it was designed to do. It's just doing it really too well. Let's talk about doing one thing and writing one thing down on a piece of paper. I know it doesn't look like much, but that tiny act of telling yourself the truth on one piece of paper is the first move of somebody who's coming back to herself. I know it's a small thing and it's not a big solution, but the big moves will come later, and they came later for me too, and they will come later for you also. But they don't have to start until you are ready. So just one tiny small move. And maybe the first one is this, calling it what it is. Maybe it's not anxiety. Maybe it's just hypervigilance. And knowing that that is what it is the first move. If this is the first time somebody told you this and that you're not crazy, you're not broken, and you're not alone, I hope you hear me. I'll keep talking about this if you keep listening, and hopefully when you're ready, you keep coming back. Subscribe for more, and I will keep putting out more content.